Hello guys, hopefully this will be the last tutorial of our how to create or how to export our GPG image. So uh, later on we can discuss how to remove it. So you can go to this area and go to your, you can change your everything and go to layout and you can create, you can click on it and place our this area. So it will remove it and place it in this one, but not good for, because these people are work too much and we created this good maps and everything. So uh, you can also move this to this area, and by right click properties, go to properties, and by go to text symbol. If I reduces to 6, so it will be too much less, it cannot be see it. Okay, so and go to like this, go to this. Okay, and go to your this area will be okay. So you can move, like you can do it like this to remove the this to this map. So we can also change the your this into good looking. If I go to, it's I think map 1. Yes, I go to map 1 and go to this, right click on it to give the specific data. Mm, Go to properties, coordinate system. I go to the projection, UTM, BGS name, another hemisphere. So this is the different as your area which are located. You can change your location. So it will be now visible to us. If I go to my layout, so it will be, you can also see it from this location. And yes, so this almost everything you can done it. So we can, if I we can also create a grid on it, mm, which grid you are like it. If I go to this one, yes. So so I not need it for this area, I need it for this area. So you want to click this one and create a grid. So it will be created a grid on your map. If I go to this and if I and go to the grid boundary edges, so it's mean that when which area you can visible. For example, east is okay, so it will be visible the east, and for the south and north, which you can click it, so it will be visible or not. And what about this one? I click it in the north, so it will be rotated vertically. But this north is okay. I want to rotate this and this, is the east and west, so it will be rotated. And you we can search it how to remove this on the grid area. So I think it will be present, if I give grid boundary. Okay, so it is this one. Okay, so you can, if you are increase your grids. So if you click on this area, they have different, for example, if you go to the grid lines, you want to know grid lines on your map area, so you want to click, you want to know color and apply, so it will be not visible to your area. You can also for example go to the label if you want to increase the size of your grid line area. I prefer to my Times in Roman, and the size will be little bit high 8, and if I click, so it will be look like this. And if you go to the bold, it will be bolded and clearly visible. So I think we will do too much work in our layout area. So if I cross it and go to the share export into the GPG, so this will be my location. You can change your location, you can increase. So I prefer to my 500, so it will be the 500 resolution. This will be different, you can change it. So I can export it, save present. You can, whenever you export it, this place will be directly come to. So I export it, and we can see it what will be the our map will be look like. For example, if I go to my file manager and go to the this one, just wait a minute, I'll just okay. So this will be the our image uh, which show the grade formation names. Early Permian, this is the formation, different formation, you can change it on it as you wish. This is the Geological, this is the base map. So this is our tutorial how to lay out our area. So it will be very easy. So thank you for watching.